Asparagus with Hollandaise sauce, the favorite German spring dish. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. For this no-carb, nutritious food I need fresh ingredients, including good quality eggs. For that I went to a farmer market with vendor machines where you can get fresh products 24 hours a day. But there are still traditional farmer markets where the family sells their product in person. If you won't believe if I would tell you, even in these modernized farming shops there are still the old money boxes. It is all about trust. In the vendor machine there are also other local and regional products. The quality and freshness of these products is far better than what you get in supermarkets. What we need for this German dish is fresh eggs, 3 for the omelette and 2 for the Hollandaise sauce. For the sauce you also need 100 ml white wine, 250 grams butter and lemon juice. For the green asparagus sauté we need 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, pinch of salt, black pepper, hot chili flakes, 2 tablespoons sugar for the white asparagus. To cook the white asparagus I add water in a deep white pan. The cooking dish should be white because the asparagus are long and fragile and need a lot of space to cook without damage. A handful salt, the sugar, two to 3 lemon slices, and then bring it to a boil. Now I prepare the asparagus. There are white and green asparagus. The difference of the color and texture is because the white ones are grown without being exposed to the light by piling the soil onto the seedling to keep it in the dark, but they let the green ones to grow on the earth like other green plants. The skin of the white ones is very fibrous and you need to peel it up to the tip, but not the tip. Peel them from the top to the bottom. And use your lower arm to prevent them from breaking. And then cut almost 1 cm from the bottom to get rid of the woody-like part. The green asparagus should be peeled just at the bottom. Now I add the peeled white asparagus to the boiling water and let it cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. You still need to check it after 10 minutes if it's done. For the sauce you have to clarify the butter to separate the water and milk solid from the butter fat. You see the water's evaporating and the foamy milk solid forms on top. Skim it off. After 10 minutes take the asparagus out of the water to see if it's cooked, like this. It's done and I take them out. In Germany people drink asparagus stock as warm tea and you can find it in all restaurants' menus in the season. The butter is also totally clarified now. Dice an onion, chop the garlic, get the butter with some olive oil in a pan, fry the green asparagus on medium heat with onion, garlic, chili flakes, salt and pepper. Sauté until the onions are slightly brown, plate it as the side dish. Let's make the Hollandaise sauce. We need just the egg yolk for the sauce. Add the wine to it and whisk it until uniform. Heat it up while you keep whisking until it gets white and thick. Then take it off the heat and add the clarified butter slowly and whisk constantly. Season it with salt, chili or cayenne pepper and mix. I want to serve the white asparagus with omelette and ham, but you can eat asparagus with potato, steak and fish. Crack the eggs in a boil and season it with salt and black pepper. And whisk it uniform. Melt the butter in the pan, but not foamy. And get the egg at once in the pan. Use a spatula to scrape the egg from the pan to not stick and keep its creamy texture. Remember, you need to keep the heat on medium. When the egg is custardy, fold it and put it on a plate. Add the white asparagus on the plate. Arrange the ham. And pour the beautiful creamy Hollandaise sauce on the asparagus. Every German eats average 2 kg asparagus a year. It's a good reason to try. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.